Hello everyone, welcome back. So India Mart Intermess, which is one of the most overhyped share of 2020 as well as 2021, and it deserves to be actually, as its business prospects are amazing, future oriented, which is more than enough to attract long-term investors. You all know. But because of the whole lot of news floating here and there, it also lured some sort of retail investors, traders, and they are now feeling trapped inside the stock as the stock has already starting falling. But according to me, you should not worry of this situation. In fact, for the long term, you should accumulate more and more shares at lower levels. Anyways, I'm making this video for short-term investors who are worried of this steep fall and struggling with their logical minds that whether they should hold or book losses. So I will try to give clarity to all your thoughts, which will lead you to a logical conclusion. First of all, the sole reason that the stock has been falling continuously is the price to earning ratio. The stock is trading at very high valuation of 76. Although if you look at the peers of the same business, you will find that, for example, if we talk about InfoEdge, it is also trading at very high valuation of 466. If we average out the valuations of industry, it comes out to 190. Comparing with that, the valuation of company is on the lower side, and that's the advantage for us. The strong points which the company has is its top line as well as bottom line. For example, if we talk about the net profit of this financial year, it comes out to 389 crores. You can see it's on your screen, it's 389 crores, which is very good figure for this year. And if we talk about in percentage terms, it is 90% actually. It is 90% jump from the previous financial year. The shareholding patterns are good enough as the promoters has the maximum shareholding of more than 50% and retail investors has less than 11%. So I was not intended to make this video for financials or fundamental analysis. For this, I will make a separate video. But my intention was to analyze the chart patterns of the company and what it shows. So for the technical part, as we can see, the stock is a long downtrend. But if we try to find out some retracement levels, for example, if we try to find out the retracement level with the help of Fibonacci retracement, then what we can see, okay, we will connect the lows and the highs of the candlesticks. Okay. So we can see at Fibonacci retracement, we will find that it is respecting the levels of 0.618, which means that it is a strong support and the stock is finding it difficult to break it down. So it is quite difficult to break these levels also. 0.5 level is acting as a resistance for the same. If we remove the Fibonacci retracement, okay, I'm just removing. Okay, if we remove the Fibonacci retracement and watch it more carefully, then what you can see. Okay, then I can see a symmetric triangle chart patterns over here, and for that we have to connect the lows of the candle with the trend line. Okay, I'm just connecting the lows of the candle with the trend line, and I'm drawing an upper trend line and connect the highs of the candle. Okay, I have just made a symmetric triangle pattern. So what you can see over here, okay, so I have connected the trend lines. So basically I can see the stock is making higher lows as well as lower highs. You can see on your screen. So what happened in the stock? So first bulls were strong. Okay. Then bears came and overpowered the bulls. Then bulls came and then they moved the stock price to a certain level. And then again bears came and they pushed the stock towards the down. And now the match is at tie. So they are in the middle of the game, and it will be interesting to see whether the bull wins or the bear. Whenever the trend line breaks, it might be at upside or at the downside. So basically when the trend line breaks, we will make our judgment that the stock is going to fall or it's going to move up. Okay. Okay, and if you want to know my opinion, I have high conviction that it is going to go up for sure. And just have to do one thing. You just have to do one thing for that. Just sit back and hold it patiently. These sort of issues that we are facing nowadays is just because of the attention span, which is already at the lower levels for us and continuously decreasing, you all know, just because of these smartphones, which gives us the accessibility to check holdings anywhere at any time. But if we think more critically, then we will find that this is a major issue, and you and me, of course, just because of that, we are facing these kind of emotional imbalances, and we usually become over enthusiastic or whenever any bad news or good news comes and suddenly doomed to be pessimistic. So my strong advice is to keep yourself distance from these news flows and try to learn things and Switch yourself to reading annual reports, balance sheets, which will add more conviction and more confidence to your trade as well as your decision. So that's it for today. We'll meet you in the next video if anything comes up regarding this talk. And if you find our content relevant, then do hit the like button for the regular updates, and you can also subscribe to our channel. Till then, goodbye.